Okay. Hey guys, what is up no? Duffy Moto Vlog here again for another video. And for today's video guys, papakabit natin itong ating bagong mags. So ay RCB SP500 for Sniper 150 155. And again, based sa previous video ko, motor natin guys is Raider FI na naka-sniper mags. Kasi concept natin before is yung big bike concept. And then nag-switch tayo to street GP. And then mas trip natin yung mga mags ni Sniper kasi mas malapad compared sa sa Raider. Kaya continue na lang yung Sniper na mags. Ang mags pala natin guys is 1.85 front and 2.5 sa likod. Dark bronze yung kulay and silipin muna natin. Oh. Sheesh. Ganda main. Oh. Napaka-solid. Kasi plano natin guys pag unti-untiin natin na full RCB yung accessories ng motor natin. Medyo madungis lang yung motor guys kasi pangit ng panahon, palaging umulan. So guys, ipapakabit pala natin to sa ating trusted shop, JWSY by Uncle Jeffrey C, located at Totolan guys. Yun. Ito si Motobetic at Z1. Call. OPD call.
Ay, salamat kay.
Puzap.
Ay, record na podcast.
Oh, record ko. So guys, papakabit na natin guys. So, yun guys, no, na yung mags natin, nakabit na. Bale, ito na yung buong karabasan ng ating motor. Diba? Ano mo natin, libutin natin. Diba? Sobrang ganda nung SP500 na mags. So, yun na yun guys, at gagawa din ako na first impression na video about sa mags, and then review na rin siguro. I don't know, ewan. Hindi ko alam. So shoutout pala sa JWSY shop sa pagkabit, and that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Peace.